really exciting product to show you guys today. This thing right here. This is an LED hair growth helmet. It emits red light and it is from CurrentBody, and they sent me this to try and it is so cool. So it has this stand that you keep it on and then it just pops off the stand. It's rechargeable, so you recharge it obviously when it needs to be recharged. And the idea with this is red light stimulates your hair follicles to help your head grow the healthiest, strongest hairs it can so that your hair can look more robust, look more healthy, look more supple, as opposed to possibly thinner, poorer quality hairs. As opposed to hairs that are thinner in diameter, potentially more brittle and break easily, things like that. Red light therapy is supposed to help your hair grow really strong and not break and all those good things. So I'm gonna give it a try. I'm going to take some before pictures and I am going to use this daily for 16 weeks for 10 minutes a day as is recommended by the company. So I can't really give you a review at this point on whether or not I think it is worth the hefty price tag that it does come with, because it is not a cheap piece of equipment. However, if it does work as great as it claims it does, I can see it being worth the price tag for sure. I have a pretty big head, so I ordered the medium large helmet and it fits me great. I measured my head, I went by my measurements and it was spot on. This fits me perfectly. You can see all the red lights in there. It's also got these little suction cups, which I assume are meant to keep it from sitting on your scalp. And then it's got these adjustable ear pads that slide up and down so they fit you in the right spot. And the cool thing about them, this is Bluetooth. It will hook up to your phone, and these are headsets. So you can listen to music, you can watch Netflix, and you can listen to it while you're in there cooking away in your red light, and it works super, super well. It does say to put it on your scalp when your hair is clean and your scalp is clean and your hair is dry, so that is how I use it. We'll just put it on. It literally looks like wearing a space helmet. There's just a little on switch and then there is the charging port. Switch it on. It does its red light thing and it will count down over here on the side, telling you how long it's been on, and it just automatically shuts off when it's finished. I have read from a lot of people's reviews that you will go through a shedding phase, which is pretty typical for any product like this. It's going to cause your hairs that are in the resting phase to shed out, which is the normal next step. Our hair goes resting, shedding, growing. Not all of our hairs at the same time, but at any given time, some of our hairs are resting, some of our hairs are shedding, and some of our hairs are growing. This helmet should, after a few weeks of use, start making my resting hairs fall out so stronger new hairs can grow back. I know it can be stressful to go through a more intense shedding phase when you don't have a lot of hair, so we'll see how intense it actually is. I will keep you guys updated. I will do sort of maybe a 4 to 6 week update, and then I will do the comparison results at the 16-week mark. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I post that. Follow along. Let me know if you've tried one of these in the comments and how it's worked for you. I'd be very interested to hear that. And let's cross our fingers and hope it is as good as they say it is. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoy having you here to watch all my videos. Make sure, again, that you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any. Like and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, because I would love to have you as part of my DIY hair school family. Let me know in the comments if there's any other content you guys would like to see, because I want to make videos that are valuable to you. I will see you next time. Bye.